सीमारे अशांत सृष्टि करुछि पाकिस्तान। पुलवामा रे आतंकवादी और भारतीय सेना मुहांमुही। सीमारे पुणी ड्रोन उड़ाइला पाकिस्तान। घमाघट लड़ाई आशंका। पुणी अशांत जम्मू काश्मीर। बारंबार ड्रोन पठाई आतंकी खेलाउछि पाकिस्तान। गत सप्ताह धरी प्रतिदिन किछि ना किछि विशृंखला सृष्टि करुछि। शुक्रवार पाकिस्तान एक संदिग्ध ड्रोन जम्मू काश्मीर सीमार अन्य सेक्टर जाबावाला ग्राम रे देखिबा परे बीएसएफ जवान फायरिंग करिसेंती। सीमा अतिक्रमण करबाको चेष्टा करुथिबा बेले भारतीय जवान एही आक्रमण करथिले। जेतेबेले बीएसएफ जवान गुलीमाड़ आरंभ करले सेतेबेले एही ड्रोन फेरी जायतिला। गत रविवार जम्मू काश्मीर एयर बेस रे ड्रोन आक्रमण हेबा परे जम्मू काश्मीर रे हाई अलर्ट करा जायछि। एहा परठु प्रतिदिन सीमार विभिन्न स्थान में ड्रोन देखा मिलुछि। एहा पछरे लश्करी तोइबार हाथ थिबा पुलिस संदेह करुछि।
You have seen the twin attacks at airfield Jammu by use of drones have taken place. It's a very strong suspicion that drone was used from across by Lashkar-e-Taiba outfit, whose patronage, whose blessing were there to them. That angle is also being probed. But LET has been involved in earlier activities, also dropping weapons and narcotics and explosive materials through use of drones. Is very much established. We have strong evidence against them. We already have number of cases. Even during the same night, an ID was sent by Lashkar-e-Taiba through drone, and that ID was to be planted at some crowded place. We were luckily having that input. We were able to intercept. We were able to arrest the person who was to receive that ID and plant it further. We have interrogated him. Certain further linkages have come to notice. We are working on them also. But just Lashkar-e-Taiba is involved in a big way. And the fact that Lashkar-e-Taiba is being operated from Pakistan.
It is a known fact that Pakistan has been involved in carrying out terror activities inside Indian territory. So far, they used to send infiltrators across the line of control, armed and carrying explosives, etc., who carried out terror activities inside the valley and in the Jammu sector. But that had a problem. First is the logistics involved in sending men physically across the line of control. And secondly, in case an infiltrator is apprehended, then Pakistan's culpability has a smoking gun proof. To overcome this, Pakistan has of late been using drones. Drones have been used to drop weapons and drugs in Punjab as well as in J&K. There have been a number of drone activities. Even this morning, our BSF in Arnia area detected a Pakistani drone on side of the border.
सेपटे डीआरडीओ तरफ विकास करा जाउतिबा आंटी टेक्नोलोजी ड्रोन को चिन्हट करबा सहित एको संपूर्ण उड़ाई देबारे सक्षम हेबो बोली जणा पड़छि। संस्थार डीजी जे मंजुला कहिसंती हमर D4 ड्रोन सिस्टम 4 किलोमीटर पर्यंत आकाश रे उडुथिबा ड्रोन को चिन्हट कराई देबारे सक्षम हेबो। एथिरे सेंसर समेत प्रति आक्रमण पई व्यवस्था रहछि। एही ड्रोन साधारणतंत्र दिवस प्यारेड रे व्यवहार होइतिबा से कहिसंती। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, ओडिशा रिपोर्टर।